Hi you guys, today we are trying to make stuffed jalapeno poppers for the first time. So let's get started. So here are all of my ingredients. I have some jalapenos, fresh of course, Italian breadcrumbs, cream cheese, eggs, self-rising flour, and some mild shredded cheddar cheese, as well as some seasonings. Alright, so let's go ahead and gut those jalapenos out and leave our openings in the middle so we can get to stuffing. I did put these in the air fryer for 10 minutes to soften. Alright you guys, so let's start making that cream cheese. So I did use some spreadable softened cream cheese. I'm going to add some lemon and some spices to this mixture, as well as using some of the shredded mild cheddar. And this is what you're watching now, and then we're going to come back later and start combining it together. So enjoy. Alright, so now that we have that all in there, we're going to stir it in until well combined. And here are our stations. We have, of course, our cream cheese, our eggs, our flour, and our breadcrumbs. So we're going to pop in, or take out, I should say, our peppers that have been in the air fryer for 10 minutes, and we're going to stuff them with that cheese mixture. And I only did 5 for now. So start off, we're going to dip it in the egg wash. And I'm going to do this 2 times. And then we're going to go ahead and put that into our flour mixture. And I do it twice only because sometimes the first time you do it doesn't stick that well. So, but whichever way we would like to do it for yours. And sometimes you might not even want to do the flour and egg wash. You can just do the breadcrumbs on top. And then lastly, I'm going to dip it in the breadcrumbs. But again, if you don't want to do the 3 dipping process, you don't have to. You could just top it off with breadcrumbs. And we're going to pop this in our air fryer for, I think I did about 25 minutes on 400 degrees. And voila! That is our finished product. So hit the description box below to link to more how-tos from me. And until next time, peace and blessings. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to link to the how-to playlist below and learn how I made this pan-seared asparagus with salmon and mashed potatoes. Until next time, peace and blessings.